tell you the truth nobody wants to say. Most people teaching you how to make money online are actually lying to you. They are over exaggerating. They show you screenshots of millions. They tell you it's easy. They make you feel like something is wrong with you because you haven't figured it out yet. My dear, calm down. Nothing is wrong with you. I made my first 100K online, not in one day, not in one week. It took me 45 days. That is almost 2 months. And I want to show you exactly how I did it. No fake screenshots, no get rich quick nonsense, just real steps that every regular person with a phone and data can follow and achieve. If you are tired of videos that promise everything and deliver nothing, stay with me and watch this video to the very end without skipping any part because this one is very different. Now, let's begin.
Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Peculiar Daily Income. This is where we turn struggle into daily success. Hit subscribe and let's build together.
To be honest with you, before I met my first 100K online, I was exactly where you are right now. I was watching videos, several of them, saving posts, taking notes, but nothing was actually changing. Nothing was working. I tried so many things without seeing any results. I tried affiliate marketing, I posted links here and there, no one clicked. I tried freelancing, but I had no portfolio, so no one hired me. I tried crypto. That one, I lost money instead of gaining. I was frustrated. I almost gave up. I told myself maybe this online money is not for regular people like me. But here is what I didn't understand back then. I was trying too many things at once. I was jumping from one method to another, from one skill to another every week. I was not giving anything enough time to work. Talk more of giving me results. When I realized this mistake, I worked on myself. When I decided to focus on one thing for 60 days, I started seeing results. The one thing that helped me make my first 100K was digital products. Now wait, before you scroll away, let me get this clear for you. Listen, digital products are not complicated. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need to be a tech person. You just have to solve a problem, just one problem. Now, on my own part, what did I solve? I created a simple budget spreadsheet. Just a simple Excel file that helps people track their daily spending. That is, it wasn't fancy, it wasn't complicated, just columns, data that have to show what I spent, how much, and the category it belongs to. Why did it sell? It sold because many people want to save money, but they don't know where their money is going to. That spreadsheet solved a real problem for them because it helped them organize their savings. How did I create it? I opened an Excel on my phone. I typed the headings. I added a few formula to add up totals automatically. I watched some videos on YouTube, to be honest with you, and I implemented what I learned. If you don't have Excel, you can use Google Spreadsheet. It is free. I priced my products fairly. I priced this 1,500 naira. That is less than a plate of food in this our country. I told myself if I can sell this to 70 people, I will be making over 100K. And I put in the efforts. Yes, I worked hard. It wasn't easy. This is the part most people get it wrong. They create something and they don't know how to sell it. Now, let me show you how I was able to make my own sales. Step one, I started with free values. For 1 week to 2 weeks, I did not ask anyone to buy anything. No. Instead, I went to WhatsApp, I went on Facebook, I made captivating daily tips. I created a post showing people how to save money. Saying things like, did you know that spending 500 naira daily on snacks is actually 50,000 naira monthly? Here is a simple way to track your expenses without stress. Did you get that? So people started paying attention. They saw that I knew what I was talking. They were taking notes. Step two, I asked a simple question that dropped their attention. So after 1 week of these free tips, I posted this message on my timeline and on my bio. I created a simple budget spreadsheet that helps me save over 50,000 naira last month. If you want it, it is 1,500 naira. So slide it to my DM so you can get yours and start saving. Step 3, I showed proof. I took screenshots of my savings progress. I blocked the amount, but showed that savings had grown, so people trusted me. I followed up. Not everyone bought immediately. Some people messaged me asking questions. I answered every single one politely, even when they didn't buy. So I stayed friendly, and with time, most of them bought later. What was the result? In 30 days, I sold the spreadsheet to 72 people. Now, let's do the mathematics. 72 times 1,500 naira. That is 108,000 naira. So have you seen? I have made my first 100K online without much stress. Now, let me share the real lessons from this experience because the money is nice, but the lessons are more valuable because this is what will help you to put in the effort. Lesson one, you don't need thousands of followers to start. I only had 400 contacts on my WhatsApp. Most of them were family, friends, old classmates. You don't need to have millions of people. You just need the right people. Lesson two, you can start small. Then with time you improve. My first spreadsheet was not perfect. It was simple, but it works. So later on, I added more features. Later on, I increased the price. Don't wait to be perfect. Just start with something good. Lesson three, people buy solution, not products. Nobody bought my spreadsheet because it was beautiful or fanciful. No, they bought it because it helped them solve a problem. So they saw that tracking their money would help them save up. Now, lesson four, consistency. I stayed consistent and that beat up the effort. I did not give up because I didn't see results, because I made my first sales not in one day but in 8 days. Now, let me give you a simple blueprint you can follow to start earning today. Step one, identify one small problem you can solve. Just one. Ask yourself this question. What is something I know how to do that other people struggle with? Example. Do you know how to save money? You can create a saving tracker. Do you know how to cook? Cheap meals, you can create a budget-friendly PDF. Do you know how to get free data? You can write a simple guide. Do you know how to use Canva? You can create a simple template for social media posts. The problem does not have to be big. It just has to be real, be realistic. Step two, create a simple solution. Use free tools such as Google Docs, Canva, Google Sheets, even notes on your phone can be of help. You don't need to be a professional, you just need to be helpful. Step three, price your product affordably. Start with 1,000 to 2,000 naira. This is low enough to attract people and high enough that you can make profits from it. Now, step four, share free values first. Start with offers, start with values. For one week, post tips related to your product. Give value without asking for anything in return. Build trust first. That is how you get people's attention. Step five, make the offer. Then say, I created something that makes this even easier. It's 1,500 naira. You can message me to get yours. Step six, deliver quickly and follow up. When someone pays you, send the product immediately. Ask them if they have questions. Ask them for a testimony. That testimony would help you make more sales. And the person will also recommend you to other people that need your services. Step seven, repeat. Once you make your first sales, create another product or improve on the first one. Keep going. You will keep growing and you'll keep seeing results. I need to be honest with you. You might not make 100K in your first month, and that is okay. I made my first sales in on the 8th day. I made my second one on the 10th day, and so on. So I was able to get that 100K on my 45 days. It was not fast, but it was glamorous. I was very, very impressed. Some days people people bought, some days nobody bought, but I kept going. If you are consistent for 60 days and nothing happens, then you can try something else, but do not quit after 2 weeks. That is not enough time. Most people fail because they stop too early, not because the opportunity is not nice or is not productive. It is, but you fail to be patient enough. So today I've shared with you exactly how I met my first 100K online. And if you implement the same method, you will get more results too. No secrets, no courses to sell, just the real practical steps that works for me. So I want you to start immediately. Now it is your turn. Comment below in the comment section. Tell me what small problem can you solve for people and also help you to refine your ideas. So like this video if you found it helpful. It tells you too that a lot of people need to see this and that it is helpful. Share this video with one person who has been trying to make money online. Don't allow your friends to be frustrated. Help them. You help people by showing them the way to make money, not by giving them money. Subscribe to Peculiar Daily Income.